Hello everyone, welcome to my architecture series. My name is Kai, and today I'm going to talk about the origin of the Collage City-Shanghai Part 2. So we are going to start with the exotic building clusters. On the southwest side of the intersection between the Wusong River and the Huangpu River, the 1800-meter near river region became the starting point of the development of modern Shanghai since 1844. There are 52 classical revival mansions with very different styles, the so-called the exotic building clusters in the bound of Shanghai. For example, they contain Gothic pinnacles, classical Greek domes, and Baroque colonnades. Now, I will introduce several architectural works in this region. The Sassoon House was built in 1929 with a height of 77 meters. It's the highest building at that time in Shanghai. It is considered as the first modern and contemporary architecture. The Shanghai Club was rebuilt in 1909. It is a British neoclassical style building, which has Baroque style ornaments in the facades. Moreover, there are also two Baroque style towers in north and south ends. The headquarters building of YWCA was built in 1933, and it's a contemporary architecture that shows both Chinese and Western styles. Compared with the development of modern and urban public buildings displayed by the exotic building clusters on the bound, Shanghai also has this type of residential building in its concession for living. This is the Shikumen building. The most typical feature of Shikumen is the combination of Chinese and Western styles. The cross-section drawing on the bottom right is a sketch done by me that shows the interior structure of a typical Shikumen building. It has the form of a traditional two-story triple courtyard or quadrangular courtyard in the south of the Yangtze River. Generally, the entrance is a small courtyard. After the courtyard, you can see there's a living room, and followed by the kitchen. The kitchen is flanked by two wing rooms, and on the top of the living room is the front apartment, and on the top of the kitchen is the garage. On the top of the garage is the attic on the third floor, followed by a float roof. Moreover, we can see there's a dormer, which is a special window that used in the Shikumen structure. So this is the front view that shows how Shikumen building combined the Western style and the Chinese style. Until 1949, 40% of Shanghai's population still lived and rested here. With the enthusiasm for the study of modern architecture in Shanghai, I participated in an internship in the restoration of conservation buildings during the summer vacation in my freshman summer. In the next video, I will introduce the first step of restoration of buildings. Thanks for listening.